All right, we're about to put the charcoal in there. This is hardwood charcoal. We got it in a gallon bag so it doesn't get wet. We're gonna dump it in, light it up. Then we're gonna place our heat shield in there. This is where the magic happens, so you don't murder your food. Slap that dude in there. Yeah, voila. Whew. America. Now this is Nace's personal box, and he just doesn't go anywhere without it. So we brought it today. We got 2 of them going. That's a brand new one, so you can kind of see what a brand new one looks like. Actually, I don't know what Nace did to this, but he likes to
Party.
he likes to party. But usually they go like blue. They kind of go blue whenever they get really hot and everything. But here we go. Boom. After a couple minutes, the charcoal is ready to rock and roll. You don't need a lot. You can use the grill plate as an option if you want to put your dogs on there or hamburgers or whatever. Today we're not going to do that. We're going to do it the easy way. So we're going to use the skewers, put them through the dogs. We're going to put our grill, or we're going to put our heat shield on so you don't murder the dogs. And all you do is we have these little notches for the skewers. We're going to put them on there and rotate the dogs. They'll be done in a couple minutes.
What is that one? Those are Earl Campbell.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.